Welcome to 25 days of completely free and extremely awesome social media marketing videos. These are going to help you stop overthinking social media and stop questioning whether it's valuable enough to post, whether it's interesting enough, whether your hair looks good enough, speaking of whether your hair looks good enough, I was just walking dogs at a homeless dog shelter here in Playa del Carmen, Mexico, and I smell really bad. So I'm covered in dog hair and dog feces, and I'm still making this video. So today's video is all about not overthinking it and just grabbing your phone and having a quick little chat with your audience. If you signed up for this 25-day marketing experience, then you probably have a notebook with a few ideas in it already. But if you don't, no worries. Here's what you're gonna write in your notebook right now. The answers to this question are what you're gonna write. So I wanna know, what is it that you get asked over and over again in your business? The question that you find yourself answering a lot, whether it be from clients, whether it be just, when you introduce yourself at a networking event and people are always like, how does this work exactly? So think about 3 to 5 of those things that you find yourself saying a lot to people when you're explaining what you do or how it works or why it matters. And I want you to choose one of those things today, and we're going to use some of the other ones you write down in future days. So again, if you haven't read the email or text message that I sent you when you signed up for this, what you need is a new notebook to write ideas in, to keep yourself accountable, to plan, to just have a place to dump ideas, and things are going to come to you in the middle of the night and you don't want them keeping you up at night. So you want to sleep with this notebook beside your bed. And then you're going to grab your phone and you're going to start your video by saying, something I get asked about a lot is, and then you're going to say what it is. And this video can be like 15 seconds long. You might find that you have a lot to say and you talk for 3 minutes. Either way, it's cool. You're going to put it on Instagram as a reel or a regular post. Because it's a video, you can choose if you want to do a reel or a regular post. Okay, quick recap. The only 2 things that you care about when making this video are your camera angle. Is the phone a little bit above your eye level? And 2, answering a frequently asked question. Now, for some of you, you're already freaking out a little bit that this frequently asked question has to be something super techy. Like you have to answer a question about product ingredients or your process or a common issue most of your clients have, something like that. But no. It doesn't have to be that techy or that complicated. It can be something as simple as, and I know you all get this question a lot because every entrepreneur does, and that is, how did you come to start this business? What life events happened that led you to starting this business? How did you get pointed in this direction? What, people came into your life, or, what doors opened for you that led you to starting your business? Now, this can be a hard one to keep short, so this might be a video that lasts for a few minutes, and that's okay. However long you naturally talk about it is totally fine. So when people ask me, like, how did you go from being a hairdresser to a financial advisor to having a marketing school and teaching about social media marketing and having like entrepreneur clients that hire you to help them with their marketing? It seems like a very weird transition. So I love answering that question. My favorite thing about marketing my own business is the freedom. As entrepreneurs, we have unlimited freedom to market our businesses the way we want to. But for 3 years, I didn't have that freedom. I worked for a large international investment firm, and they didn't let their financial advisors decide how to market themselves. And really, I am the business. I'm the person that they're hiring. I wanted to go out into social media and just say things that were on my heart and talk to people about why I was building this business that I was building. Even though I was under a corporation, it was still my business. I was still the person that these clients were trusting and handing over their life savings to. The point of this story is that the freedom to be able to market yourself the way you want to is a blessing and a curse. And it's a curse because shiny things are constantly popping up in the world. And as an entrepreneur who doesn't necessarily have a boss or someone to tell us yes or no to our marketing ideas, we can get pulled in a million different directions and feel like we're constantly going back and recreating the wheel when it comes to our marketing. And that is why, my beautiful fempreneur friends, I have created 25 videos to keep you on track, to show you exactly what I've done on social media to grow a business that I can run from anywhere. I'm currently living in Playa del Carmen, Mexico for the winter, and it's a dream come true. This is the first time I've moved myself away for the winter because my son graduated high school, and I've been building this business and this lifestyle for many years, and this piece of it has finally come to fruition. So I want to show you the things that I've done that have worked for me in my marketing, and I'm going to show you 25 of my best, not my entire marketing system, not all of the things. Of course, you're not going to have me there, coaching you and pointing you in a specific direction for your business, but you're going to be able to take these 25 key strategies with examples, with bonus tips and tricks, and you're going to be able to apply them to your business. You can click the link in the description below this video to sign up.
Hey, this is Cindy Drummond. I am the owner of Luminescence Healing and a great supporter of Lindsay Berry. I met Lindsay Berry several months ago when I attended my first networking event with YYC Fempreneurs, and I have to tell you, I was blown away with the power that she has with her community. I asked Lindsay for a favor a few weeks ago, and she was able to put out my need in an e-blast, and immediately I had the results I was looking for. Honestly, her second superpower would be her ability to get things done quickly. As a small business owner, I have so many ideas and so many directions that I want to go. And when I meet with Lindsay, she is able to pinpoint exactly what I need and come up with the perfect marketing strategy to make sure that my message is concise, on brand, and gets the results that I want. If you are looking for a marketing champion, a marketing partner, then I highly recommend Lindsay.